Hello and welcome to our tutorial on one of the most essential features in React, the useState hook. If you're building React applications, understanding state management is crucial. Exploring how it works and how you can leverage it in your functional components. So what is useState? useState is a hook that allows us to add state to our functional components in React. Before hooks were introduced, state could only be used in class components. But now with useState, we can easily manage state in a more modern functional approach. This hook simplifies state management significantly, making our code cleaner and more readable. Let's look at our first code example. Here we have a simple counter component. We import useState from React and use it to declare a new state variable, count. The useState function returns two items, the current state and the function that updates it. We use array destructuring to get these two items. When the button is clicked, setCount updates our state, causing the component to re-render with the new count. It's straightforward. Now in code example 2, let's go ahead and look at useState with complex state. UseState isn't limited to primitive values like numbers or strings. You can also use it with complex data types like objects and arrays. However, when updating complex states like objects, it's important to remember to keep your state immutable. Take a look at this code example of useState with an object. Notice how we update the state using the spread operator. This creates a new object with the updated name while keeping the rest of the user's information the same. It's crucial not to mutate the state directly, as it can lead to unexpected behaviors in your application. A common mistake with useState is directly mutating the state. This can cause issues with React's rendering cycle. Instead, always use the setter function provided by useState. Another best practice is using functional updates, especially when the new state depends on the previous one. This ensures that you always have the most current state. In this counter example, we use a functional update. By passing a function to setCount, we ensure that we're working with the most current value of count. This pattern is particularly useful in complex applications where state updates may be asynchronous and depend on the previous state. So to wrap up, useState is a powerful, versatile hook in React. It allows functional components to maintain their own state, making your code more concise and readable. Experiment with useState in your projects and see how it can simplify your state management. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.